This is part 3 of a 3-part presentation. In part 1, we introduced you to our project at Cisco on programmable seamless virtual clouds. In part 2, we showed you a demonstration of our prototype. In this part, you'll gain more insight into the details of programmable seamless virtual clouds. In the demonstration you saw in part 2 of this presentation, you saw the Seamless Cloud 3D graphical user interface in action. On the right side of the screen is a screenshot from the GUI. Let's gain a deeper understanding of how the Seamless Cloud engines provide end-to-end seamlessness in our current realization. For a Seamless Cloud instance, on-premise sites, combined with isolation on-premises, get mapped to OpenStack Neutron provider subnets, which are then mapped to VRF Lite over a sub-interface dedicated to the isolation and Seamless Cloud. The same mapping is done for off-premise sites, combined with isolation off-premises. For a Seamless Cloud instance, an isolation WAN gets mapped to an instance of MPLS VPN. Bridging between isolation WANs is realized using Multi-Autonomous System Layer 3 MPLS VPN. Similar mappings are done for other tenants in a multi-tenant cloud environment. As you can see, the Seamless Cloud, along with the isolations that are part of that Seamless Cloud, are mapped to virtual networks end-to-end for isolation and reachability control. As you saw in part 2 of this presentation, the on-premise resources and off-premise resources of our demonstration prototype are under the control of multiple OpenStack controllers. However, these could be other types, such as VMware vCloud, Amazon EC2, or Microsoft Azure. The network segments could be VLANs, VXLANs, subnets, or other technologies. In between the on-premise and off-premise resources in our demonstration prototype, we use Layer 3 MPLS VPN. However, these could be VPLS, IPsec, or other technologies. In our demonstration prototype, we also use Multi-Autonomous System Layer 3 MPLS VPN. We can also support carrier supporting carrier. That was a brief look into how we realize programmable seamless virtual clouds in the infrastructure. This is the end of part 3 of a 3-part presentation.